We at Universal School Tardev believe that today's youth are the driving force to bring about a change that we want to see in our world. The school decided to participate in the Design for Change competition.
The Universal School Tardev is participating in the Design for Change Challenge, a program which allows the students to bring about the change that they desire in society. The students took it upon themselves to reduce Mumbai's carbon footprints, and together we shall definitely make it happen.
The teachers and students brainstormed and came up with many different problems. All the problems cited had a common cause. Whether it be air pollution, cutting down of trees, garbage on the streets, the answer was that we were using too much fuel and leaving behind a lot of carbon. So, on 15th August, the school registered with DFC and took up the cause of reducing Mumbai's carbon footprints. The first step was to contact the Environment Management Center at Wadala. The Vice President, Mr. Shantanu Roy, and his team gave their full support to the school's agenda against carbon footprints. The children had an interaction with the experts from EMC. The school designated the week from 10th September to 14th September 2012 to implement the activities in order to bring about the change.
My Rupal ma'am has taught me that whenever there is a signal, we have to keep the engine off, and I will always remember to tell that to my father.
The whole school participated in art and craft activities, poster making competitions, and elocution competitions, all based on the theme of carbon footprints. The school also participated in an inter-school competition called Voices and performed a skit on life in a metro depicting Mumbai's poor environment. All the schools under the Universal Education Group pledged their support.
Universal School Tardev has left no stone unturned in spreading this message across. We will continue to support this initiative at all Universal schools and take it to the next level from here. This is just the beginning.
We also visited neighboring schools to spread the message and got a positive response from the student community at large.
We, the little environmentalists, would like to support them.
Universal High School, Tardev, put up the street play, and the message was very clear to our students.
The parent community was sensitized by the students through pamphlets and questionnaires, and they too were very understanding towards the project and pledged their support.
I think it's a very good idea. Always the awareness starts at the individual level, and it's great that you people are starting at such a young age.
During the week, the school celebrated Grandparents' Day. All the activities of that day were woven around the theme of carbon footprints. The grandparents were thrilled and promised to reinforce this cause even at home. Creating general awareness was of utmost importance. So, the school undertook cleanliness drives, rallies, and street plays. Children also distributed pamphlets in housing societies around the school. We also met with NEERI, the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute of India, that is devoted to research on the reduction of carbon emissions. Dr. Rakesh Kumar and his colleagues monitored the carbon emissions and analyzed the quality of air around the school. The team from NEERI specially brought in their equipment and installed it on the school premises to monitor the particulate matter in the air. The children also visited their water recycling plant to learn how to conserve and reuse water. The impact of all these activities has reached far and wide.
To reduce carbon footprints, I tell my parents, family, and my neighbor that you must not throw garbage on the road, and I even tell them not to use a lot of plastic.
The message was spread to thousands of students, parents, families, and the general public. The quality of air around the school has improved considerably, and the electric bills have also come down. Number of children using the school bus facility and carpooling has also increased. The activities are plenty and they do not stop at the end of the week.
I truly believe DFs is a great way to show the consideration for our environment. I pledge to shrink carbon footprint. Do you?
We believe that gentle footprints today will ensure a greener path tomorrow.